Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Volkswagen Touareg key. Press the small release tab with your thumbnail and slide out the emergency key, then use a flat tool to pry open the fob seam gently, keeping parts aligned. Remove the battery cap, note the battery orientation, replace with a CR2032 if needed, and reassemble by snapping halves together until they click, ensuring the remote functions before finishing. Carefully open the key housing along the seam using a thin plastic pry tool to avoid scratching. Keep track of small parts and spring clips when removing internals. Clean contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, let them dry fully before inserting a new battery or reassembling, and test the buttons and lock functions before closing the case to ensure proper operation. If unsure, consult a dealer or locksmith to avoid costly damage. Quick recommendation: if you like reliable gear, subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. On another note, I picked darn tough socks because they are comfortable, durable, and come with a lifetime warranty, making them a funny but fitting pick for handling small fiddly jobs like key disassembly. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy this tip, give a like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. After battery replacement, you may need to reprogram the remote by following vehicle pairing steps in the owner manual. Many Touareg models accept a routine: insert key, turn to ignition position, press lock button, and cycle locks while holding buttons, but procedures vary, so confirm with OEM guidance. If remote still fails, consider visiting a dealer for diagnostics or using a diagnostic tool to read fault codes and confirm signal transmission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.